Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see who liked your playlist on Spotify. So usually when you create a playlist on Spotify, people have the option to go into it and like it if the playlist is set to public. If you select the playlist, you will see there is a number of likes, how many songs in the duration of the playlist. Now you might be wondering if there is any way to check who individually like your playlist. As you can see, if we try to click on the likes number, nothing will show up. If we try to click on the image title, nothing pops up. We can only click on the author of the playlist to be redirected to their profile page. Essentially, what's this mean is there is no way to check who individually like your playlist on Spotify. The only way you can tell is you might want to assume people like your playlist based on who is following you on Spotify, because you can actually see who follows you, although you cannot see who liked your playlist. The purpose of this video is not to spread information but let people to be aware that there is no way to check who individually like your playlist on Spotify. You can only assume based on your followers. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.